Hello everyone and welcome back to episode number 5 of Infinity Evolved Skyblock. So, last episode we did a bunch of automation with our machines, and also we made our awesomeness, that is the automation of creation of soul sand and sifting the soul sand, and also the auto clay generation. And between the episodes I have been a little bit busy, have kind of upgraded most of the machines with all the good stuff that they needed to know what they want to craft, and also made the overclocker upgrades, and for that we got the canning machine here with a fluid transfer pipe coming into the bottom, and as usual outputting to the top, because it's an IC2 machines and they work best. On the back side here we have another induction smelter for making all the good stuff like Invar and the steel, steel and bronze and electrum and Invar, nice. And we also got 3 fermionic fabricator, first with tin electron tubes, then diamond electron tubes, and the lapis lazuli ones, because probably maybe we are going to make ourselves some nice good stuff today, but for that we will need magma crucible and really, can we do you only? Nah. Signalum blend, Signalum blend is still possible with destabilized redstone, which you get from magma crucible, bling mana crucible stuff thingy, some redstone in there, and then into a fluid transposer, into a bucket, and so on. Of course also the lumium will be done this way. But to do that we will need some machine frames, and it's a complete nonsense to do them manually. Let's automate them. Yes. Also, backside here, as we already saw on the server, Infinity Series Expert Mode something, the good old metal press from Immersive Engineering with a satellite pipe over here and the MK5 chassis pipe over here, and all the different gears that you probably can need or should need, from gold to iron over electrum, Invar somewhere should be. Yeah, believe me, loads and loads of different gears are possible. And forgot something almost. Let's head over there. As you may can see in the far distance over there is a little bit of a nice little farm that I put myself up because I needed some leather for the conveyor belts that you need to build the metal press, and in the middle here we got a feeder, which is, or a feed station, which is at the moment empty. You just have to throw stuff in there to feed your animals. For example, if you have cows, of course, good old wheat like that, and they will feed on the wheat and multiply like crazy. As you can see, we started with 2 cows and they are loads and loads of cows now. And of course, if you would have carrots in there, you would need porks and such. And with that, actually also the recipe is pretty easy. It's just steel plates, some golden carrots, and a little bit of wood, and of course the steel plates with the rolling machine that you saw over there. Also not that hard. That's why I needed a tin electron tube thingy in the fermionic fabricator. But since we have this all done now, let's snag a few blocks. Yeah, why not? Let's do it with those. Shouldn't look too ugly. As you can see, it's already looking very ugly outside here, so we don't care very much. First of all, let's place down a satellite pipe over there. Bam! Satellite pipe. You are connection number 10. Awesome. We will need an assembly table over here, and then on top of the assembly table, probably one higher. Yeah. We'll go, oh, do I have my kinesis pipes? Yay! And I forgot, of course, the pipe plugs. Yeah. Pipe plug pluggage. Let's get them out of there. Come on, come on. Give me some pipe pluggage, please. Thank you very much. And with that, we should be good. And I need to reach up there. Yeah. Yeah. Bam. Awesome. So we have 8. That means we can do a little bit of trickery. Let's build you around here like that. Get a few pipe plugs out and we can eliminate you in the middle here. Pipe plug you up. Yeah, should be awesome. And over on that we will need a wooden kinesis pipes. 320 should be enough. So you can chill out here with an MV wire connector and some wire going over to here. Can you reach? Yes, you can. Awesome. Now we just need a few of our lasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome. And you can chill out in here, and we will need another satellite pipe. Yeah. So nope, 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 nope. Didn't want, and you are going to fall down. Yeah. Let's request in the meantime another satellite pipe. Satellite, thank you very much. And do we need something else? Probably not. Let's snag the thing that's fallen down here. Get rid of you. Can I open the chest? No. Can I open the chest now? Yes, I can. Give me logistics MK something, and you, and you. Can we reach up there? Yes, we can. And of course, I forgot to snag all the good stuff from out of here. Bam. You, and you. And as soon as we hit the buttons, and of course, nope, you need to be in the other one. But first of all, let's place you there, and you were satellite number 10. So let's adjust you guys to satellite number 10. Perfect. And also you probably, yes, we can do you 10. And are you the iron one? Probably, yes, I knew it. You. Awesome, you are not. So, you and you can go in there. And of course, I forgot all the rest of the pipage. So let's snag a few of our carrots to get ourselves a little bit faster running speeds up. Again, because we were tired and hungry, and that's never a good idea to run when you are hungry and tired. So let's sleep, have another bite of from our carrots, and then we should be good. Probably if I snag on my way over to there a few pipes. Let's do pipes, 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 pipes. 53, let's snag 40, why not? Get our satellite pipe out. Awesome. And you can chill out here, and you will be probably number 11, yeah. Yup, nope, yup. Number 11. Thank you very much. With you. And actually, let's try to sneak this in there. Awesome. Because you did the correct way. Awesome. Perfect. So they will output their resources into there. So you, thank you very much. And also you. No. You and you. Awesome. And of course you are doing the wrong one because I want you to do the iron one. Perfect. So that's that. And why did I bring you? Yeah, because I didn't already. Yeah. So we got you, and we got you, and we need the iron one. Come on, I know you can do it. We got 320 RF. It's actually the maximum that the transfer pipe here can transfer. Should be also the maximum that we can do with all the lasers. So yeah, you, thank you very much. Teach you that if you place it on 10, you should get some stuff out. Awesome. Now that we have that, we can hook everything up and get also, nope, not that, but a few logistics pipes. Let's snag 10 of you, why not? And with them, we could also already hook up really fast the thing over here that I prepared. A logistics pipe over there, our rock crusher on top. Bam! Some of the good old electricity from here. Bam! You should be cruising. Awesome. And you have already the thing in there. When we throw you in there, you should be rock crushing our obsidian into crushed obsidian. Perfect. You into there. And we don't need you anymore. Nope, we don't need you. Come on, come to Papa. Thank you. And how are our, yes, logistics pipes done? So now that we have that, we should be good to make the crafting of our thingamabob happen. Maybe I need more cable? Maybe. First of all, I should probably place you in there. Come on. You go in there, and then you should be fine to give me some crushed thingy obsidian. Nope. Oh, come on. Have I really? I am actually kind of thinking I should have made this platform one higher. Just to be not such a nonsense when I have to jump around here all over the place. So you are connecting up to probably here. Yeah, why not? Connecting all the good cables. And just a little bit more, and you, and we could hook you all up to that one. Yeah, why not? You, and you. Come on, do it. I know you want. And another one there. Perfect. Everything should be back up and running. Let's have a little look, see on the up phase if we can request some crushed obsidian. Probably yes. Let's make 2. Let's also get a dense refined iron plates. Let's also get some circuits. Ooh, you know what I completely forgot about? Yeah, probably you are. right now thinking, the circuits, man, what are you doing? Yeah, I completely forgot about the circuits. They also need some circuits, don't they? But also a tin gear. You can chill out in there. And a carpenter. What's involved in making a carpenter? Nah, actually not that bad. We know how to make the sturdy casings. That's good. Sturdy casings. We need... how many circuits? Probably 4. Yeah, 4. Let's get also some bronze. Let's use that one. Just so we get rid of it. Because we teach our system to how to make the thermal foundation one and not the Thinkers construct one, which is the one coming out from there. So you and... where is my crushed obsidian? Why aren't you doing? Are you not able to... maybe? Looks like it. You are not able to... maybe. Let's have a little look-see and just wait for a second longer. Nah, probably looks like we have to do a little bit of shenanigans over here because he cannot output from the or input into the bottom. That's bad. That's something I really don't like. So that means we need boom boom boom. Where are you? There. Come on. I know you want me to remove you. Thank you. That means we need a few more of you guys probably. Actually, probably not. That's nice. That. And if we sneak back up, we should be good to make him connect to the back. That should be possible to insert and extract from there. Please tell me that, otherwise we have to do some more shenanigans. You. And now are you obsidian? 2 crushed obsidian. Maybe. Probably. Hopefully. Nope. Also not going into the back. That's bad. Can you really just do the top? Probably. Maybe. Do we have some pipe plugs? Yes, we have. 1 and 2. So another one on top. And if we do you here, are you actually also connecting? Yes, you are connecting. That's good. If we do that, what are you telling me now? Obsidian. 2. No, not normal. The crashed ones. Thank you very much. And now please tell me you are doing the thing. Please tell me you do it. I know it. You can. So he can do on the top. Can you also suck out from the top? Yes. Awesome. At least something. It looks now extremely ugly, but actually, well, not really. Say, kind of like the actual pattern out of here. So let's close up at least a tad of the holes that we made. So now that we have those, let's have a little looky-see. We got some obsidian that we actually don't need or not want anymore. So let's throw the obsidian in here. Also you guys can go away. And probably also you and you. Why do I have two dense refined iron plates? Really? We got some sturdy sturdy casings. We also need a little bit of glass. Let's make a stack, sleep through the night, because we are still depending a lot on the good old solar panel energy, which of course during the nighttime is not that much, actually completely zero probably, or at least it should be. So how about our glass? You over there should actually completely cruise through all the good sands. Yeah, you do it. What? There was just a telemark lag there. No idea what happened. Not sure if it was a client lag or probably just a client lag. So, you are a carpenter and we should be able to make 4 of you. Awesome. Now what we also should do, get a few transfer pipes. Transfer pipes, because we already have some water running on the bottom there. So let's actually snag 8 more. Where do we want to place those? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Why not? You can have energy from the top. All connect to the good old wire. Nope, I did want you to connect over there. So, bad wire. You, two, you, and that, and another wire here to that one. Awesome. Of course, they are only crafting one piece, so let's make 4 MK something. 2 pipes. Yeah, MK 2 pipes. Do we have still for crafting? Nope. So we need also a crafting thingy more. Awesome. So the circuit that we need is the basic thingy. So we need redstone. 6 pieces. Let's get some tin. Should be plenty available. And how about you? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And that actually means we should have first probably made a little bit of you guys, so that we actually know where we need to connect all those good stuff. Thingies, the transfer pipes with our good old water. So tin is here and you are here. Where is my chassis pipes? There are you. So you here. And 6 of you and 1 of you. That to that and that and that. And now let's get some water into there. We need you and you. Awesome. Really? Come on. Okay. You. And probably should be able to run that all over to here. And connect that up to there. Doesn't look nice, but who cares? We got some water in there, which is perfect. And that means we are coming close to a point where we probably should finish. Nah, actually a few minutes we are left. So let's teach our system how to make the machine frames and also how to make the circuits. Awesome. Gives us a circuit. Bam, in there. Do I get some logistics pipes? Yes, I do. You connect to here. And in here, probably, yeah, why not? So you and you, actually one of you, actually teach our system. We also need an iron chipset. Yeah, should have thought about that. Chipset, bam, iron, let's make one. You should be cruising really soon. Maybe you got a diamond. And the gold, let's remove that because that will probably surely derp around. So let's snag you, teach our system. If you place 2 and one of you and one of you. Ooh, that's bad. Ooh, that's bad. Crap. That means not so good. Because we are missing you and the iron chipset. We need to do more. But that's not yet really possible. But can you? Probably not. Could we? Yeah, that would be an idea. Yeah, I have an idea. Let's do this. With a transfer pipe. Actually transfer nodes. Filter, which we don't have, so let's get some string. We need 1 piece of string. We need some redstone, 4 pieces, and some stick hench, 4 pieces. Bam, bam, bam. So you and you and you. Nope, you. Yep. Can only do that, that, and iron chipsets, and ooh, yeah, no. Actually, you know what? Not that bad. Because the iron chipset we can do actually through the satellite pipe, which was number 11. If I'm not mistaken, maybe, probably. You were 11, yes. Awesome. So you are probably right now thinking, what is he up to? Well, there is always a little bit of trickery involved when I do things, so why not also right now? Let's not fall again to our death, maybe, probably. So you get the filter, and you can only do crushed obsidian, dense refined iron, plate, basic circuit board, and tin gears, which we will tell our system 2 of that, 1 of you, 1 of you, and 1 of you into this chest, which will then be sucked out into here. And if we place 2 and 1 and you and you and you, we should be able to do that, right? Nice. Can I sneak you in there? Perfect. Let's see if everything is correct on the satellite pipe number 11. You need to know what you are getting. Yeah. So let's make it. And 400,000 RF. Yeah, that will take a moment. So I hope. Yeah, let's finish the episode here. And I will then snag out of here the good old thingy, teach our thing down there that you will get machine frame out of it, and then he can do all the good stuff alone in the future. And now the luggage is completely... Whoa, what's going on with my frame rates? Not that bad actually. Yeah, no, back to... Okay, so I hope you guys and girls enjoyed this episode, and of course, if you did, I would appreciate if you could drop a like, and if you are new to the channel, you could consider yourself subscribing. And for now, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.